Hello, good morning. Good morning, guys. This is my place, my house. I'm here. It's my off duty today. I'm here at my backyard, seeing my plants here. My banana plant is almost to harvest. Maybe after 1 week, it's already ripe. So we can consume this banana. Banana is good because banana is a potassium fruit, nice for the body. So maybe 1 week I will harvest already this banana, my plant. So I will show you. I will just show my plant. No? So you will notice my plant, my banana plant. So this is my banana plant. Almost for harvest. Maybe 1 week I will harvest this already. So you can consume this. So these are my banana plants in my backyard. This one. I also have banana plant here at the back side of my house. There, okay. That one. And I have also malunggay plants here at the back. And I have also banana there. Banana plant. Okay. So it's nice planting some fruits in your backyard. So anytime if you want to eat bananas or mango or coconut, you will have it. So these are my plants at my backyard. There's my coconut tree there, my papaya, another banana there, my plant banana. Okay, this is my hobbies. If I'm off duty, I'm planting plants here at my backyard. There's the mango tree. So almost to bear fruits. It's already have flowers. Okay, this is my backyard. This is my guava plant. So I have also calamansi. Yes, calamansi plant here. Okay. Then I still have one coconut there, my plant coconut. Almost for harvest. Okay. So welcome to my kingdom, my small house. This is my house. Man's poor house. Sorry if my house is like this because I'm just a poor man. So my house is like this small house because I'm just poor. I'm poor but I have plenty of friends. Better than poor. At least I have many friends that I can ask for help. So this is my house. So my house. Okay. Thank you guys. Good morning. Have a nice day. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.